up, y'all? It's your boy Jake Crates with allhiphop.com. I'm chilling with the one and only
man, Yump Daniels. You already know. Wes?
Yeah, so talk to me a little bit about the movement that you have going on right now, man.
Right now, bro,
Yeah.
I'm just working, man. Honestly, you know, I've been fucking with the homies from the Bay, the Dannon, and we've been making, you know, some shit. I was on the Starting Six single, Like Water. Fucking with Bobby Brackens, just making music, bro, you know, and just making quality music. Getting older, 21 now. Working on this project, The Gray Area. Really just staying, you know, I just got this, you know, fucking with my big homie Problem. Shout out Problem. He just did this new song, Crossfaded. And really, man, we just making great music, great visuals, and just keeping it pushing.
Right. Now, you're currently still signed, right?
Yeah, I'm signed to Mercury Island Def Jam. I was signed to Beluga Heights, but I'm recently just got off of Beluga Heights. Shout out to Zach and JR and everybody over there. But yeah, so now it's time to refigure out, you know, what we about to go with everything, and just kind of restructure the whole situation, which I'm excited about, because, you know, just growing, I've been in the industry, I've been signed since I was 16, and, you know, when I was younger, when you're younger, the label kind of, you know, tells you what to do, where now, it's more, I'm coming to the label with my own product and my own music, so I'm excited to see what we do with it.
Right. Can you talk about some of the producers and the sound that you're going for as you transition from maybe the label situation to more stuff you maybe wanted to do?
Yeah, I mean, well, really, man, I wanted to go for a real authentic, like introspective music. You know, that's what I kind of like. I like I like talking about, you know, what's really going on with me.
Yeah.
You feel me? Like, I've always liked to, like, when I started rapping from a personal standpoint. You know what I'm saying? And then it got real broad. You know what I'm saying? But now I kind of want to bring it back to kind of introduce who I am first before I kind of go out there and make the big world songs. You feel me? I kind of want to edge out my fan base and just edge out who I am, and just give my people, my fans, just a clear idea of who Man, Dejan, Yump Daniels, all of that, who creates Man, you know? So,
right.
Trying to figure it out.
Now, who is your fan base?
My fan base?
When you talk about who your fan base is, what kind of people are they, and what kind of people do you think have gravitated towards your music?
Really, definitely the younger generation. You know what I'm saying? Like, not like the kids.
Yeah.
It's more like the teenagers, the ones who grow up and are, you know, experimenting with life and want to do more than just live, like, you know, just do, you know, they want to experiment with life and just have fun and just really get the most out of life. That's what I'm about.
Yeah.
And I'm about getting the most out of life and really taking this experience to the next level. And that's what I rap about. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I think my fan base is definitely those thinkers, you know.
Yeah.
And and it's really exciting to actually start creating music for those people, the people I want to touch. You feel me? So
yeah. The reason I ask that is because a lot of times, if a person really likes an artist now, it's like they identify with their music. You know what I mean? So it's just interesting to me to see, you know, maybe how you view your fan base. I know your fan base has been very loyal.
Yeah, definitely. But it's
mean?
like, with me, it's crazy because since I started so young, I have a lot of young fans. But my fans grew up,
Right.
growing up, and they're asking the same questions I'm asking. You know, like, what am I doing here? You feel me? Like, what's really going on with you know, everything? You feel me? And like, why do I just want to just go do it? Why do I want to rebel at this age of my life? You feel me?
Right.
And that's what we talking about. You know, partying, going out and just experiencing new things. You feel me? And it's really interesting. You know, to definitely get the feedback from my fans of like, okay, I feel you. I totally feel exactly what you're saying. And that's a big deal to me. So
That's tight, man.
yeah.
Alright, you said that phrase a bunch of times. What's that all about?
Yeah,
that's
man.
your thing?
Yep, that's just always been my thing, bro. It's just some LA, West LA shit, man. You feel me? Young, unique, mackin' and pimpin'. Yeah, you feel me?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So young,
Unique, mackin' and pimpin'.
mackin' and pimpin'.
Feel me?
There's been a lot of pimpin' type stuff going on out in LA for years.
I'm gonna keep it lit, bro. Pimpin' is returned, bro, and it's at its maximum, and it's going on in West LA. Shout out to all the West LA pimps out there, man.
So there's a lot of pimps out in LA.
Now, honestly, there's a lot of pimping going on. You
Yeah.
feel me? But it's always been a lot of pimping going on.
Right.
It is.
Pimping is pimping.
Yeah. Shout out to my Bay partners too. You feel me, on this pimping.
Okay, so you know a lot of people in the Bay Area.
Hell yeah. Shout out to all the I fuck with the Bay, like real heavy. Like a lot of my cats that I fuck with, a lot of I fuck with them, bro. Like I fuck with Sue. Shout out to Clyde, you know what I'm saying? All them cats, they all cool. You feel me? So it's all just West love. That's all I'm about, peace, love, and happiness anyway. I fuck with everybody.
Right, that's what's up, man. So, talk to me about your name, Man.
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 I mean, honestly, bro, it started when I was a kid, bro. It was like, everybody always said I acted way older. You feel me? And people always said I had an older spirit, an older just soul. So they used to call me Lil Man just growing up, you know, just man. And when I started rapping, it was just like, you know, that's me. That's what I wanted to, you know, to do, was just be who I was. So I was like, man, I'm Man, that's me, you know. I rap, I felt like I had a older swag when I rapped. I felt like I was more seasoned than a lot of cats in my age group when I was younger, so it just made sense.
Now, what about this next project that me and you were just talking a little bit about?
The Gray Area?
The Gray Area. Why is it called The Gray Area? And
really, man, it started, you know, just living and realizing things. Like, the older I get, the more the line between right and wrong, yes and no, like got bigger. You feel me? Like now it's like I could say, you know, don't smoke. I don't want my little cousins to smoke, but I smoke all the time. So I don't know if it's right. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a lot of stuff I've been questioning, and it's just like in the project I'm just addressing, just, you know, it's the gray area. It's like, it's not right, it's not wrong, but it is what it is. Life is lived in the gray.
Right, so the lines between right and wrong have been blurred.
Sure.
So it becomes gray.
Yeah, I don't even, you know what I'm saying? Like right now, I don't know. You know, I always wanted to be a positive role model. At the same time, I love living life to the fullest. It don't matter if that's doing shit I know is wrong, or just do, you know what I'm saying? It's just that's just the truth. So, you know, it's like a conflict that always happens, and you know, I feel like I should put it out on record.
Yeah. Now, who are some artists that you're working with aside from Problem that you just mentioned that you're looking forward to?
Well, really, man, I just been working with the people I fuck with, like just like, you know, Problem, that's the homie. I've been fucking with the homies, the Fly Guys lately. I've been fucking with the homie Young Tone, Animal Production, he been killing shit. Fucking with the Dannon, that's Knick Knack. I fuck with, like, we have a little movement I'm just a part of that's kind of about to come. It's the Dannon. It's like Bobby Brackens, YMTK, and these are all cats I know a lot of people like, who? You feel me? But these are the next people that I believe are like about to come and kill it. And that's why I've been keeping it real, just real tightly knit. So yeah, so that's what you're gonna get, man. It's really gonna be my life and who I really fuck with on the daily. Yeah.
All right, man. Is there anything else you want to tell the fans or anybody else?
Man, just live life, have fun, peace, love, and happiness, man. Read a book, and you know, just enjoy your time here, man. You already know. West. Oh, and follow me at MANN. I'm trying to get my followers up.
So I use my mind to grow my grind without ever doing whole shit. Like French straddling, dick riding, shit jump, no fist pump, just stand tall, no switch siding. Mountaintop, my click climbing, fly be unparalleled. I parasail, I'm zip lining, yelling fuck pussies with a rip condom. When I fuck pussies, need a big condom, cause it's about to be on. All that scared shit, stop it, girl, you better pop it, cause them things almost gone. And it ain't about knowledge, but it's like college shit. I'm all in my zone, when I'm ballin'. Old bitches begging me to call them, enemies just pray that we stall.